Next up is E-flat arpeggios in the basic section. We're almost done with the arpeggios. We only have the E-flat, the B-flat, and the F to go. So 3 more to go, including this one. Actually, after these 3, we're done with the entire exercises of the basic section. Then we're going to move on to the improvisation section where we actually apply these chords, arpeggios, and scales, and we will use them in regular play. Now let's begin playing the E-flat major chord so we can play the E-flat major arpeggio. We already know this chord, we learned in the basic section. Now we're going to play it one by one. E-flat, G, B-flat, E-flat. Move it up to the second variation for G, B-flat, E-flat, G. Move it up again. B-flat, E-flat, G, B-flat. And lastly, E-flat, G, B-flat, E-flat. Excellent. Now we're going to go down. E-flat, B-flat, G, E-flat. B-flat, G, E-flat, B-flat, G, E-flat, B-flat, G. Lastly, E-flat, B-flat, G, E-flat. Very good. Practice up and down while you know this arpeggio. You already played many arpeggios in this basic section, so playing this should not be really that difficult. G, B-flat, and E-flat. And let's go down. Excellent. Once that is done, then we're going to play the left hand, same as we played the right hand, so it knows the notes the same and equal as the right hand. So, same notes, starting from E-flat. E-flat, G, B-flat, E-flat, then G, B-flat, and E-flat. Let's go down from E-flat, B-flat, G, and E-flat. Excellent. Left hand and right hand are done. Now we're going to combine the hands, play both hands, E-flat major arpeggio for 1 octave. E-flat, G, B-flat, and E-flat again. Now let's go down, E-flat, B-flat, G, and E-flat. Excellent. If you have to, pause the video and practice 1 octave together with both hands. If not, or if you already did, now we're going to move on to playing 4 octaves stretch with 25 times sing and then 25 times straight. Excellent. After 3 or 4 octaves, now you go to 25 times straight. That was the E-flat major arpeggio. And now once that is complete, we're going to move on to the E-flat minor arpeggio. This is where the 3rd degree or the 3rd step of the scale is turned down half a step. You already know this. And in this case, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, G. G goes half a step down to a G flat. Now we've been playing black, white, black. Now we're going to be playing black, black, black. Just like in the F sharp, except it's not going to be F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. It's going to be E flat, G flat, and B flat. So let's start with the arpeggio. E flat, G flat, B flat, E flat. G flat, B flat, E flat, G flat. B flat, E flat, G flat, B flat, and lastly, E flat, G flat, B flat, E flat. This is a real tongue twister. E flat, B flat, G flat, 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 E flat. Whew. Okay, now you know the notes pretty well, or which one they are. Now let's practice with the right hand until it's comfortable going up and down and confident. Excellent. Now, once the right hand is fairly confident, now we're going to move on to the left hand, play the same exact notes, starting from E flat, G flat, B flat, and E flat. Now let's go down. E flat, B flat, G flat, and E flat. Very well done. Now the left hand and the right hand are familiar to play together, or they know pretty well separately. Now we're going to combine them to play together the E flat minor arpeggio. G flat, B flat, E flat. And we're going to go down from E flat, B flat, G flat, and E flat. Excellent. That was one octave of E flat minor. Now we're going to play 4 octaves up and down, 25 times skipping and 25 times straight. After 25 times skipping, like always, 25 times straight. Congratulations, you have finished the E flat major and the E flat minor arpeggios. Now it's time to move on to B flat and then F, and then we're done with the arpeggio section.